Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So this unit was sent to me from NadulaHair company. The unit is very pretty, guys. I did install this unit twice, and I've been wearing this hair for over like 2 weeks or something, maybe like 3 weeks. I had the unit for over a month. Dead serious, but I wanted to go ahead and play around with the unit. It did come to me in a natural color, so all I did was go ahead and add a nice kind of soft black to it. So I will show it to you guys when I first installed it when it was in its natural state. The unit is about 24 inches long, guys, and I did cut light layers into it to frame my face, and I think the layers came out really pretty. You guys can still see the length on this unit. Very nice. Now with this unit, guys, it is a closure unit, so you get about 5 inches of parting space. It is a very good amount of parting space on this unit, which I really appreciate. Now with this one, I usually would do a middle part, but I decided to go ahead and switch this one to a side part, and I think the side part is giving what it needs to give, guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the install portion of this video.
You missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's fun or complete. We gonna get no sleep. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's fun or complete. We gonna get no sleep. Yeah. Sleep. Don't have time to sleep, but we can dream so think outside the box. Show me how much you are missing me. I'll read between the lines. Does your hope it rains? You missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's fun or complete. We gonna get no sleep. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's fun or complete. We gonna get no sleep. Yeah.
Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the install part of this video. Like I said, I did go ahead and install this unit twice. The unit is very pretty, guys. The length and everything is cute, but you guys know I'm kind of into more of like a shorter length now, so I'll probably go ahead and snip this one up a little bit just to give me like a mid-length right here. But as far as the hair, it takes well with curling. I did curl it the first time and a few times after, so it does hold a really nice curl. I do feel like the longer hair in the back definitely was kind of giving me a little bit of trouble, but when I did use the Flexi rods definitely help the hair get a nice type of curl pattern, so you guys can see how beautiful this unit is all over. As far as products that I used to install, I always install these units with my Even Wonder Lace adhesive, the Super Hold one, and then I also top it with the Even Wonder Lace spray as well. As far as styling, today I did use the Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray on my hair just to keep the style, and I think the style came out nice. I did go ahead and press the top of it with the hot comb just to flatten everything out so you guys get the overall kind of glam look. So this is very cute. I definitely feel like 24 inches is a nice length, but I would say if you want to go for more of like a classy vibe, to go ahead and do maybe like a 18-inch or a 20-inch, that vibe would definitely be on point. So guys, I'll leave a direct link down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from NadulaHair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.